Okay, this is a video of my 52-inch antique brass palm air ceiling fan. I want to say it was from like 1985. It's got 5 leg kit. That was something I added to it. There's the canopy, like you'd find on their famous top mounts, which I have quite a few of. I'll turn the light on so you can see it better. I only have one bulb in it for right now, but puts out a decent amount of light. And it came with similar blades with the same kind of cane, albeit in oak finish, and these came off a Moss Heirloom that I parted out, so I think it works better than the Heirloom did. So I got this from my church, and I replaced it with a 52-inch white polished brass Halsey GE vent builder fan to go in the youth room. And the other blades that came with this fan were just, one was warped, so I mean the brackets were okay, the blade holders, but this is totally for my Moss Heirloom. It doesn't wobble as much as it did with the previous blades. And it did come with a 3-arm light kit, colonial style, not the famous turtle style you see on most ceiling fans, more recent ones. Anyway, I'm going to turn the fan on for you. Start out on low. Put the tasseled pull chain right there. I think Palm Air launched this ceiling fan, or at least Air Cool did, to compete with the Moss Heirloom. It's got a nice homey look and feel to it with the globes, the cane, the finish, everything about it. Okay, medium. Now it's catching up with the Hunter, which is on high over there. See that? The one I just showed you in another video. These Palm Airs are pretty fast ceiling fans, let me tell you what. I mean, they crank out a lot of air. And yet they're spinner motors, albeit very heavy ones. And if you saw the video with my Palm Air turtle fan, that thing really cranked out a lot of air, especially on high, which I will bump this one up to right now. It does have a slight wobble to it. But it's putting out the air, let me tell you what. I really love these Palm Air ceiling fans. I really, really do. Okay, I think we're going to power down now. Takes a long time to spin down, but bearings are obviously good on it. I just had to have it in my collection. I mean, I've had a few 52-inch GE vent ceiling fans with cane, but they didn't really last. But it's a great fan. I love it. Sure is beautiful, isn't it? Okay, fan has stopped and so will this video. Thank you for watching. More to come.